Well, the ruling MDA rejected the demand of opposition Congress to withdraw the petition filed by the state government against order of the Lokayukta for a CBI probe on illegal coal transportation. Talking to media persons, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that the state government is following a proper legal procedure and all the actions that have been taken are based on proper legal advice given by the law department.
In this particular issue, we are following a proper legal process, and all the actions that have been taken are based on proper legal advice that's been given by the EG and by the law department. So therefore, wherever we have found that there may be some concerns that are there, so we have ensured that based on that only we have taken the steps. So therefore, all our actions have been based on proper legal process and with proper legal background.
And clarifying the stand of the government on this issue, Conrad said that there are many areas where the provisions are not in line with the Lokayukta in asking certain things, and therefore a petition has been filed based on it.
Now, have you gone through that petition? Have you seen the different points that are there? So therefore, all those points, if you go through it, you will find that there are many areas where there are provisions are not in line with the Lokayukta office, in asking certain things. So therefore, based on those provisions only, that petition has been placed. That that the Lokayukta laws and the rules that are there don't permit certain aspects that have been mentioned in the different points mentioned by the Lokayukta.
And while speaking on the delay of setting up the full bench of Lokayukta, Conrad Sangma said the process is on, but however, he targeted the opposition for raising the issue since during their tenure, they didn't even want to put up a Lokayukta chairman.
I think there should not be any concern from opposition, because I think during that time they didn't even want to put up the Lokayukta chairman. So I think it's that when earlier they took years and years to just put up the chairman, we did not even take a year and a half, and we put up the chairman. Just shows the commitment that we have towards it. So the process is on. I don't think the opposition should mention about it. They should realize that during that time they did not even put up the chairman.
And on the accusation of facilitating a coal cartel levelled by the opposition, the Meghalaya Chief Minister said the state government filed for this petition because they felt the provisions under the Lokayukta were not being followed, and therefore a petition in regard to that was needed, rejecting any connection with coal mining.
Anything to do with any kind of facilitation for any individual or cartel or whatever they may say. We are simply going into this petition because the provisions under Lokayukta is what we felt was not being followed, and therefore the petition that we put in is in regards to that. It has nothing to do with any kind of any issue with coal mining as such. So that's number one. Number two, we have nothing to hide and nothing to kind of worry about. If inquiry needs to be put in, we will instead put an inquiry even at our level or at whatever level is required.